These are the tools that I used. I have a 32 socket, half-inch, with a bracket, foldable bracket, which facilitates putting it inside the engine. I have an extension. I have a torque bar, a ratchet. I have a T27 that is for the stabilizer bar bracket. This is for the T25 that is for the air filter. This is the T27, and these are just small screws and a Dremel screwdriver. These to pop up some of the screws, and that's about it. Very easy to change the filter using a top oil extractor. Engine filter. The part number is PAB 1338438. The oil filter is 9A71 9840500, and the engine oil dipstick seal is 955 42700. This is the oil extractor vacuum pump that I'm using today. Is from OEM Tools, 2.5 gallons, 9.5 liters. And the only thing you need to do is just pump, and it will produce a vacuum and it will extract the oil into the reservoir. That's it. Going to change the oil filter and the engine air filter. Today I'll be removing first the top, then the sides, this and this. To remove the sides, there are clips over here, so you need to pop it this way. This just pops up just moving it up like this. Lift it and then pull out. You pull out, and if you can see, there are some tabs here that goes into there. To remove these ones, we just pop it from here. And just pull it up. As you can see, there are some clips there. Earlier, the first time I did it, I broke those two, so I need to change it later, but these are the clips that attach to these tips here. Now I'm removing the other one. Remember to remove this top cover. You need to remove the clips. There is a clip over here, and there is a clip in this side too that needs to be removed. So those two clips need to be removed and then put back together once you don't use it. Once you're putting everything together. Remember, these clips are easy to forget. If you have a broken rim piece, you push it from below with a screwdriver, and then you can, with a plier, you can finish taking it off. There is the green piece. You need a T25 to remove these screws and these screws over here. Once you remove the two screws there, just pop this out, and then the air filter pops up like this. It just attaches over here to this hole here. Now you need to detach this so that this can come out, so the air filter housing can come out. So we'll remove these two. Now we're going to remove the air filter here, the connections. They just retract. You can just leave it here. I already removed these two screws, and this just so you can see this pops back like this. This pops back, and then you can take this air filter out. This pops up. Oh, I forgot, you need to take the filter out. You can see this is the air filter housing. There are two knobs here that engage over here, and once you have removed the oil tube from the housing, it just pops out. Now we're left with removing this. For that we need to remove these two screws over here to lose the hoses there. I got this 7mm wrench that goes like this, that fits perfectly here, and it makes it very easy to remove those, to loosen those screws. Once you have loosened the screws, you can pop out this piece for the air filter. You have the two hoses, and you have the plastic intake here. Now we're left with the oil filter there. This is the Cayenne S 2.9 twin turbo, and seems like this could come out from there, so I'm going to give it a try first. The rest of the engine, there it is. This is the oil adding side. You can see all the coils, and the other side is like this. That's the oil filter. I loosen the oil cap so the oil can freely come out in case there is some vacuum. That's the radiator fluid. I need to add some more. I need to get some. From my calculations, I have gotten like 9 quarts out. Each of these rings is 1.9 quarts. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4.8, 4.9. So I got a pretty good extraction of the oil. Going to add back the plug. I put some oil to. Going to put it back in its place. I'm twisting it a little bit. Twisting it a little bit like this, clockwise to facilitate and it popping right there. Now I'm going to put the torsion bar back. Should be pretty straightforward. Remember, always sideways, and then you put it, and it has 3. Each side has 3. 1, 2, 3. These 2 are larger than this one. Now we're going to take the air assembly. We're going to push it back and then down so that it will, it's backward. This has to go to the back to those 2 places. Let me turn it around. So you have to push back this, make sure that the air intakes are down, and this has to pop in its place over here. Once you push it inside, then you can move this to fit in the right position. You can see this matches here. It's in the group over there, and then you can put the screws, the 2 screws there. Let me do that. Okay, now the 2 screws are in place. I'm going to put a new air filter. This is the new air filter, and you have to tilt it a little bit and then put it there. Add the clips and add the 2 screws there. Remember, they are T25, not a T27 like the torsion bar. Okay, have the T25 here, 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 here. We put the tabs here. Now I'm going to put the side covers. I didn't need to take this out, and I need to put this back. These to put back this, you have to put it very close to the edge, and then just push. Locked there. You just push it to the edge and then you push it and it will lock there. It's locked here. So now we have this air filter. Now we can put the side covers and then the top cover. Remember to put this over here. I just put it. It just slides and it locks in there. I'm going to I'm finishing putting the cover. If you broke the tips, the side covers, if you broke the tip, you can see that these things just slide off sideways. So you can replace it by the new ones. I need to get new ones. For now, I'm going to use it like that. This other side has all the clips. So make sure that you align the clips into the, you align the clips into the clip areas. Wait, first you need to attach this side over here, and then you align the clips. Okay. And to put the top cover, you need to put these edges inside the proper holes here, not on the back, but over in the air intake holder. So remember, this has to go inside here, so you have to lift it. You have to lift it and make sure that it is okay. So these are in, these two clips inside are in. This is attached to the air filter holder, not to the back, so everything is correct. Now I'm going to go and add the oil. Overall, it's a pretty straightforward, at least on the Cayenne 2019 Cayenne S twin turbo. I have the Maxcom MK906BT, and I'm going to use this to reset my oil service. This is the same one that I used to remove the automatic start stop, and it worked great. No more automatic start stop. It's great driving now, and it drives even better because I think the adaptive driving learning is a lot better without the ASS installed. Oil level is okay to the max, and it has been reset with the Maxcom MK906BT, which have a handy bracket here that you can put it on top of the steering wheel, and then you can check everything there or working from there. Very nice.